To create a view, I'm sure you already know what to do. We'll right-click the name, get category by ID, and add view. The view name can be get category by ID, not a partial view, and use the layout page. So the view was created, and I'll go to Solution Explorer and open get country by ID, because I'm going to use that as my template. I'll copy that and replace everything in my get category by ID. So first of all, we want an object of category DTO to be in our model. And the title can be get category by ID, because that's the action. We keep our messages there, and we'll display category details, and we'll display basically just the category name. There's no other property we want to display here. So again, the name is already part of the category. That's one of the properties. The other one would be the ID. So we display model.name. And here we have those two links, which are the buttons for update country and delete country. So we of course want it for categories. So the controller will be categories on both of those links. And the first one will be the update category action, and the second one will be delete category action. And we will pass the category ID inside the link in both the update and delete as well. And finally, the first link will simply say update category, and the second one will say delete category. And just like that, we have our view. So let's run it and test it. So first, let's go to our localhost categories, and we get the list of all categories. And now let's click one, and we have the category details, which is basically just the name. And we have the update category and delete category buttons that obviously don't do anything yet. Let's go back and see some other category. We have computer programming, category details. So you can see that the IDs work correctly. We go to the correct category when we click the details link. Alright, so far so good. But let's make this a little more interesting. Obviously, this is fairly boring category details page. So next, let's make some updates to this so we can display more information than just the name of the category.